To make it easy, I recommend you to use computer or laptop to do this because we need to do a payment operation to watch Law and Crime. So you want to sign in into your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. So after that, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click on the shop icon, which will open up this network and add-ons. And then you want to click on all. And here you can just scroll down and try to find Law and Crime. Right here on Law and Crime, you want to click on it. And then you want to add Law and Crime to your YouTube TV membership by paying for $2 per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. So just click on next and complete your purchase with debit or credit card or even your PayPal. So after you buy the Law and Crime package, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the search icon. You can do it on the computer or TV or any streaming devices. And then you can just search for Law and Crime. Right here on the Law and Crime with this network sign, you want to click on it. And then you can just scroll down and find any live or series from Law and Crime that you would like. Or if you want to record the live session or upcoming live session of Law and Crime to watch it later, you can just hover over any specific live session and then click right here on the three dots and then click on add with the show name. This way, you don't have to stand by all day to watch the live session because YouTube TV already recorded it for you even when you don't watch it on live. And you can also add the movie or series that you want to watch on your smart TV by adding them to your library, where you can also skip the ads when you add a show to the YouTube TV library. And to do it, you can just click right here on the three dots and again click on add with the show name. And then to check on every show or live that you have already recorded, you can go to your top of your screen and then click right here on the library beside the home page. So on your smart TV, you can just hop into this section without looking into the live guide and enjoy your favorite show. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch Law and Crime on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.